Today we're going to be talking about Magic Eden and their new token which they've announced, which is ME. We're going to discuss everything about how you can farm it, why should we even farm it, and how you can get the maximum amount of boost, and some things that you need to keep in mind, which is very important, and you might lose your money here. Okay, we're going to cover everything in today's video, so make sure you watch this till the end. And let me give you a little history lesson, which is the little three-letter word that I've written right now, which is NFT, right? So they were basically an NFT marketplace. If you don't know, they started back in September 2021. They've just been growing since then. It's one of the biggest marketplaces out there on Web3. So first they started as a marketplace on Solana. They grew quite big. They added ETH and then moved on to like Polygon, then BTC, and now they've even got Base. And recently made another announcement that they are also going to add Monad. Okay, so quite some nice stuff here, and they've been operating since 3 years. So let's get into a couple announcements that they've made. So which is they're going to celebrate their third birthday on September 17th by announcing some special news for the Solana Max, as well as they also have a new event where you can earn a 50% diamond boost, which ends in the same day. It's also clear that they are going to announce the tokenomics and of the airdrop. And as I've mentioned, it's not just an NFT marketplace anymore, which it used to be, but now they call themselves Web3 marketplace or a home for Web3. They are going to include Monad as their sixth chain. And also don't forget about the main thing, okay? The most important thing that you should not be doing. And if you did this before the token drops, you are going to lose money, or you might lose money, okay? Let me not make that too dramatic, but I'll get into that in a second, because I want to quickly show you what you should be doing before that, which is if you go and click on the link in their bio of their official Twitter account, which is at Magic Eden or Magic Eden or whatever the fuck you want to call it. But if you click here, you can go and click on the help desk and find all the guides and all the necessary information that you need to perform the following tasks that I'm going to mention. So if we go and hop in on their official website, which is magiceden.io, you can go and see that they have all these different chains, 5 chains. They've haven't actually included Monad yet, but let me just quickly show you how you can earn the maximum amount of diamonds. I'm mentioning diamonds because these diamonds are the things. This is basically like the points, right? These beautiful diamonds. This is what you need to actually make money. So think of it as maybe like points, I guess. So this is not like one-to-one correlation, okay? But yeah, you need this to make this basically. So if we go into their docs and read, so to get started and to maximize your diamond earnings, you're going to you have to visit the rewards page, which I'm going to show you, and turn your loyalty over to 100% by transferring all your listings to Magic Eden, which yes, I'm going to show you, and start completing buying, listing, and offer, which yes, I am going to show you. Go into the description below and you'll find a link. Join my Telegram channel, which to the Telegram channel where you should be reacting to the first message, and I'll start dropping some sauce there soon. But anyways, here's what you should be doing. Let's open the very infamous, notorious collection, which is all you need to do is basically buy these NFTs, not just Egos, just any one of the NFT collections on any chains. But you'd just be like buying this NFT, or if you already hold it, you'd just be like selling this NFT. So basically you would be number one buying, and number two listing, which is like selling. You just list it for sale on Magic Eden. And if you want a little boost, here's what you should be doing. If you own, let's say, 2 different collections of the collection 1, collection 2, and there are many marketplaces to go and sell these on, right? There is Magic Eden, there is Tensor, and a couple others, right? But what you should be doing is, if you have listed anything on Tensor, move it over to Magic Eden, so that you get 100% loyalty here and you get a little boost. But there's also another video that I'm going to be dropping on Tensor soon, because they also have their season 4 airdrop coming up. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Anyways, I'm going to show you how you can do some little sneaky stuff and get 100% loyalty on both. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. But those are two things that you'd be doing. And the third thing is collection offers and Magic Eden Wallet. It's not, Magic Eden Wallet is not available In some regions, there's an extension as well as a mobile app that you can download basically. So yeah, you just download that, and it's a multi-chain wallet. There is nothing new. If you're already familiar with wallets like Phantom, Soulflare, or MetaMask, and others like that, so it's pretty similar with different design and some other new stuff that they've got of their own. But yeah, the overall functioning of it is pretty similar, obviously. And you basically use this to claim your magic hidden airdrop anyway. So these are the things that you'd be doing. So you're going to make an offer, and boom, you just I think it's pretty self-explanatory. So you just put this here, and make connect it and make the offer. And once you like, if you're listing it or if you already own one of the collectibles, as I would like to call it, being sophisticated. Anyways, others would make offers just like I've showed you now, and you'd be accepting that. So when you do all of these four things, you would get what? You would get diamonds. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, diamonds. But let's talk about the most important thing that you should not be doing. And if you did it, you would lose your money, or you might lose your money, right? So it's market which you would lose your money. So which is I strongly suggest against buying or selling on Wales market, which is actually pre-market for coins. If you're not familiar with what pre-market is, how you can actually sell the airdrop before you even like get the airdrop technically. So if you would want any information on that, you should be going and commenting on this video, okay? But if you already do, you can see that the points are live on. Here's the thing, right? The most like dangerous freaking thing. Tokenomics aren't still announced. So basically, that you don't know what the supply is. You don't know how it's distributed and stuff like that. And it's pretty risky to do stuff like this without knowing basically anything about the token that you're dealing with here. So you might lose your money, or you might not. I'm not sure, but it's a very very decent thing to do. They're just trying to like ride the hype and make some money themselves on the fees from the degens on the crypto space. And if you still have any questions, go and comment down below, and I will be more than happy to answer all of your questions. Okay, there's some, if not, you should go and watch the video that is popping up on your screen right now, or you'll find the link in the description. So yeah, just basically go and watch it, and don't forget to join the Telegram channel. Okay, I'll see you there. React to the first message and see you there soon.